Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, July the 27th, 2021. What's going on, Trap Watchers? We're here to talk about Lucid Motors, which was formerly known as CCIV, Churchill Capital. Yes, the market has debuted on the NASDAQ. Lucid Motors had now transitioned over to this new ticker symbol LCID. We wanted to come in, talk about this particular market because you know it's garnering a lot of attention, considering it has now debuted on the NASDAQ under a new ticker. So let's come in and see what the market looks like, right? Since that is done, since that is over, can the market crash? Do you think more people are going to come in and sell this particular product now? Or can this market continue to see higher prices? Don't worry about it. We got you. We're going to come in, look at the price, see what the overall environment is now since that transition is done, the merger is completed, to see where the price is going to go now, right? So if you want to join our team, we're here. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. One thing we don't do, we don't pump stocks, right? If we see weakness on the price chart, we'll tell you. If we're expecting the price to drop, we'll tell you. If we're expecting the market to go higher, we'll tell you that as well, all right? So if you're in the market for the long term though, like if you're just looking to hold stocks for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, yeah, don't watch our videos because our price predictions don't go out that far. No one in their right mind can have a prediction on where price is going to be in the next 3, 5, 10 years. Like, that's ridiculous. Why would someone, it's kind of like you going into any retail establishment and store and say, okay, in the next 3 years, this is how much this shirt is going to be worth. It's ridiculous. These are just like, you need to consider the markets as regular retail stores, right? You come in, you try to find what's on sale, you buy it, price increases, you let it go, right? It's kind of like you going into any farmer's market or produce section of any grocery store and say, okay, this is how much tomatoes are going for, 58 cents. In the next 5 years, 10 years, it's going to be worth. So I need to buy up as much tomatoes as possible. So why would you try to place that into stocks, into cryptocurrencies and commodities? This is the only place to where people try to give you predictions or forecasts for the next 3, 5, 10 years, or they want you to hold something that long. Just think about that. So now let me get back to Lucid Motors. Again, if you guys want to join us, we're here. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. So now take a look. Once that transition and the debut for Lucid Motors or Lucid Group to come and trade on the NASDAQ, we got some increases in volume. We also saw some selling come through. Take a look. Volume is higher than what we've seen in Lucid. Market closed off of the highs yesterday. Yeah, people were selling yesterday in the market in Lucid. While everyone is trying to pump you up saying to come in and buy the market in Lucid, someone else was in the market selling. Ask yourself the question, why? Why would that be? So let's take a look at this. Okay, I wanted to show you that nothing too much has been going on in Lucid Motors, right? Let me show you some lines real quick and we can kind of get a gist as to what the trap is trying to do. Okay, look at that. So yeah, we are in an upward trend in the long term. Cool. If you're a long-term holder, that's all you need to know right there. Price is still in the upward trend in Lucid Motors. So as long as price continues to do that, I mean, check this out. We could go all the way to March 2023. As long as the price in Lucid Motors continues to track alongside that line, price is going to go higher. It's just that simple. We break that trend, we already know what to expect. We're not going to go higher anymore. Check this out. I mean, how far you want to go? This is all you need to know then. At the end of the year of 2023, next 2-3 years, price in Lucid Motors, if it maintains its upward trajectory, will be worth around $69, $70 in end of the year of 2023. Okay. That's it. Nothing else to do. If you're in it for the long term, just watch that line. But right now, you guys can tell that we're either getting that into the market in Lucid Motors or we're getting this. Okay, that was one outcome. This is the second one. Okay, take a look. Either the market in Lucid Motors is in a upward trend, either this, or we're trading sideways right now. Which one do you think it is? Which one do you think the market is doing? Do you think we could do that? Do you think we can do this? What do you think? It's either one of those two, nothing else. The market is consolidating right now in between these two lines, but do you think we can consolidate in a tighter and tighter range to where the market will break out above $30 to the upside? That's the question. Or do you think we can do that and break down and come back and trade on support around 1750? Those are the two outcomes right there. I've just shown it to you. So check this out. Let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Because so far, we still need to be careful of $30 in the market in Lucid. That is definitely showing us some instances to where selling occurs in this space right there. So our main focus is going to be on what price does around this restriction point of about $30. Got to pay attention to that. This is the 2 weeks time frame. I like it on a 2 weeks time frame, right? The 2 weeks time frame kind of lets us know that this market is going to try to break $30 to the upside. Now again, take a look at what happened on this last completed 2 weekly price bar from June 21st, 2021. We got the same type of price bar that we're getting now. And look at the outcome then. We saw the market go lower, right? But so far, the market strength is able to maintain the selling that is going on, which is very positive to see. Okay. This is the 5 weeks time frame. So yeah, we've been seeing some selling occur in the market in Lucid, but can it bring back down the price? Or can we see this market continue to go higher? Because I give you one thing. This market, yeah, even though it's showing us some bouts of weakness occur, it's not really having a massive burden on the price. Okay. This is a monthly time frame. So we got 3 more days and 10 hours left. Look at what happened in the month of June. Don't think that the market lost that. Don't think that the market completely erased that because of what happened so far in July. There's still some buyers here into the market in Lucid. Okay. Now, before I put on this price prediction, I want to look at this on a hourly time frame. And so far, I still suspect that the market in Lucid is going to try to go higher. Initially, yeah, we can see the price come back down, preferably around $25.10 to $22.50. But I'll even be cool with the market come all the way down to around $21. Okay. So that's it right there. Let me see what it looked like on the hourly real quick. And then on the 3. So right now, yeah, we did go through some selling the last couple of hours into the market in Lucid, but the market bought it up. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Lucid right now. Again, that restriction point came in around $28.21. So let me do the play right here. So for us, we would come in and TP out the market right here around $30 first. That would give us about 12.75% profitability. But I'm gonna extend it up just a little bit higher to around like $32.40. Get about 21 out the market there. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna play the strength into the market in Lucid Motors. Be careful. right there around 30, because that is where we can expect some selling to come through. Already I can see the selling trying to come through right here. So yeah, we closed on there yesterday, or we tried to break it to the upside yesterday in trading. We got rejected. So it lets me know that the market is not ready for a breakout type scenario, that the market may continue to trade sideways, may even go lower, which is why we've created this $21 area for support, just to encompass that ability for the price to go lower. All right, so that's it. This is what we're expecting. All right, it's your turn. Let me know what do you all see on the price chart in Lucid Motors. Do you think, considering that the SPAC, the merger has been completed, do you think that the market's going to crash? Do you think the price is going to go lower? Or do you think we're going to go higher? Drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, see you on the next one, and trade different.